Hi there, my name is Kayut and welcome to my channel ElectroScott. This video is second video of Arduino series, and throughout this Arduino series we learn about Arduino, basic to advanced. And if you watch this Arduino series all episodes, and you will able to make your own Arduino based projects. In first video, we will discuss about what is Arduino and its basic information. If you have not watched that video, so I can give the link of that video is in the description and also give in I button. Anyways, here in this video, we start our programming of Arduino and we will write a blink program and its simple command. So let's get started. So first of all, open the Arduino software. Click on File and click on New and maximize this window and erase all the sketch. If you don't have this software, then go ahead and watch out my video about how to download and install Arduino IDE. The video link is in the description. After opening the Arduino IDE, the programming are divided into two parts. First is setup and second one is loop. The setup function is called when a sketch starts. Use it to initialize variables, pin modes like output or input, start using libraries, etc. The setup function will only run once after each power up or reset of the Arduino board. After creating a setup function which initializes and sets the initial values, the loop function does precisely what its name suggests and loop consecutively, allowing your program to change and respond. Use it to actively control the Arduino board. So this is a basic about Arduino programming. So let's go to the blink example. Blink means on and off. Note here, this Arduino language is case sensitive. Now we can write blink program for internal onboard LED that is connected to digital pin D13. If you want, then you can change pin name and also connect external LED to any digital pin. So first, initialize variable and give it a name as LED pin and give pin name as D13. Here, first initialize variable and give it a name as LED pin and give a pin name as 13. Here we can see our initialization of variable is complete. So let's jump to the board setup. Here we define which pin is output or input. But in this case, I am not give the input to the Arduino, only get output from Arduino. So the LED connected to output and that output available to digital pin D13. So I write pin mode LED pin as an output. As I am write program, you also write in this manner because I talked earlier this language is case sensitive. The setup part is complete. So let's jump to the loop section. So here we can use digital pin as output. Then I write command digital write. I write LED pin because of I give the LED pin variable for digital pin D13 and then write high. High means the high pulse sent to our LED that is connected to digital pin D13 and then our LED is on. Then after I write delay. It means the controller spend time as we put time in millisecond. Here I write delay of 1000 millisecond. It means I give the delay of 1 second. not here. Put semicolon after each statement. So after each 1 second the LED is turned off. So I write digital write LED pin, comma, low. Low means the low pulse sent to our LED, that is connected to digital pin D13, and then our LED is off. And then again put delay for 1000 milliseconds, it means 1 second. So write delay of 1000 millisecond or 1 second. As I say, the loop is running consecutively. So the LED is turned on for 1 second and turned off for 1 second. And this process is run frequently. That means LED is also blinking frequently and the programming is complete. I forget to connect Arduino, so let's first connect an Arduino via USB cable to PC or laptop. After connecting Arduino to PC or laptop, then click on File, click on Save and give it a name as a blink. And I save this to the desktop. Click on Tools, select board type as Arduino Uno and then again click on Tools and port section, choose your right COM port. Mine COM port is COM18, so I click on COM18. Click on Compile button. Here you can see our compilation is done. After compilation is successfully completed, click on Upload. Here we can see our uploading is done. So let's see our program on Arduino in action. So here we can see the LED is blinking for 1 second on and 1 second off as our programming. As always, the part list, schematic and the code link is in the description. If you know more about Arduino, electronics and projects, then check out my channel. The link is in the description. So this is all about today's video. If you have any doubt, then comment me out. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, stay creative and I will see you in next one.